Hey there, Consumer Choice Center followers and family. We're here in Washington, D.C., meeting members on the Hill, talking about important things. Energy is a huge concern for consumers. We don't want our prices to go up. We want competition and want to be sure that everybody can have an abundant future. So we're talking about these issues and more. You can check out our research on consumerchoicecenter.org. But for now, we're going to go meet some members, be sure they kind of get the latest and greatest, get our research and our updates, and we can figure out how we can protect consumer choice for everybody.